Now, House Chat with host Matt Hollander with answers and expert advice to your home improvement questions.
Welcome back to WDF in this Thursday morning edition of House Chat. I've got my friend Jeff Moore with us today from Phaltless, and they are asphalt and concrete contractors. And Jeff, let's talk about specifically asphalt this morning, and tell the viewers out there, I know you've been a guest in the past and talked about resealing the asphalt. Let's talk about new construction, or if you currently have a gravel driveway or you're building a house. What are the advantages and disadvantages of asphalt over concrete?
If you currently have gravel, or if you're looking at a new driveway, the key is proper base and grade, and get that on and solid. Base is the foundation, just as with a home. We'd like to add new stone in most cases. We call that a pug mix. Get that in and grade it and roll it and compact it. And then at a minimum, you're probably looking at 2 inches of asphalt. In comparison with concrete, maybe it's an aesthetic look that the customer wants, or in a smaller situation, maybe strength is an issue for a smaller site that may have less of a solid foundation issue.
Now, I know you mentioned 2 inches. How do you determine, I know a commercial application, it would be heavier. Is that based on the homeowner's traffic and weight of vehicle, or how do you determine how thick to use?
That's typically a minimum we'd like to see, because we'd like to see 15 plus years in the life of the new driveway we give.
Are there any advantages over asphalt other than price?
A lot of times it's aesthetic, what the customer likes as far as the look.
No cracks. What about repair? What are you going to see happen to asphalt other than it needing resealing that would need repair, and how do you repair it?
Asphalt's a flexible material. With age, it can oxidize. So therefore, you want to keep up with the seal coating process. With a new driveway, we'd like to see, after a year of the life of the asphalt for your first application of seal coating, then you should be able to get 5+ years per each application. And then you want to watch for cracking and breaking and that kind of thing.
So if you get a crack or a break, that's something you just mix a small amount to repair. You can repair just a small area versus having to repair a large section.
If the customer pays attention to it and you catch it earlier, obviously you want to, as soon as you see signs of wear and breakage, you want to attack that immediately.
Or stay on the resealing and prevent it altogether, and you guys do
That's
that
correct.
too?
We do it all, yes sir.
Well, if the viewers out there want to get a hold of you, what's your contact info, phone number, and website?
Our website's www.phaltless.com. Phone number is 622-1037, and check us out on Facebook too.
And as for Jeff Moore, thanks Jeff for being on a repeat guest here on House Chat. If you want to get a hold of me, it's HouseChat, that's with 2Ts.com, at WDF.com, and like us on Facebook. Have a great Thursday.